Come test drive 2006 Torrent, an authoritative crossover that combines SUV capability with excellent ride and handling. The Pontiac Torrent offers urban sophistication with standard V6 power 5-speed automatic transmission, sport-tuned suspension, and an interior fit for a premium sports sedan. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, power driver's seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, auto express down window, alloy wheels, adjustable headrests, power steering. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.